Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G100 and let me show you how to turn on and off camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings, and here we have to tap to capture settings category. Now we can find assistive grid option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off camera grid lines as we need. Now let me keep them turned on. Let's move back to camera, and here in the preview we can see them. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography or making experiments with composition of our picture. And of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real photo, so when I take a picture and when I go to right button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see any of grid lines here because they are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course when we don't need them we have to move back to camera, then right corner settings, capture category, and turn them off here. So for now in the preview the grid lines have gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.